What if I told you there's a computer that no one owns, but everyone can use? That's basically Ethereum. Most people think Ethereum is just a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but that's like saying the internet is just email. Ethereum is way bigger. Imagine a giant computer in the sky, not owned by a company, not controlled by a government. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't crash, and thousands of people around the world keep it running. That's Ethereum. Instead of storing cat videos like YouTube, Ethereum stores programs. These programs are called smart contracts. Now don't let the word smart scare you. It just means if this happens, then that happens. For example, if Mike sends one Ethereum, then the system automatically sends him an NFT. No middleman, no bank, no guy in a suit approving it. Ethereum is basically a trust machine. You don't need to trust a person, you trust the code. And that's where things start to get interesting. So what can you actually do with this giant world computer? Well, a lot. Remember smart contracts? They allow developers to build apps on Ethereum. These apps are called dApps, decentralized apps. Think of normal apps like Instagram. There's a company behind it. They own your data. They can ban you. They control everything. Now imagine Instagram, but no company owns it. No one can just shut it down. The rules are written in code and run automatically. That's the power of Ethereum. This is how we got things like DeFi, which is basically banking without banks, NFTs, digital ownership of art, music, or even game items, DAOs, online communities that vote on decisions with tokens. For example, instead of asking a bank for a loan, you can borrow crypto directly from a smart contract. No paperwork, no awkward meeting, no, we'll call you. It's like replacing the middleman with math. But here's the crazy part. Ethereum isn't perfect. Ethereum has problems too. Sometimes it's slow. Sometimes fees are high. During hype phases, sending a transaction can feel like paying for VIP tickets at a concert you didn't even want to attend. But Ethereum is constantly evolving. It moved from proof of work to proof of stake, which basically means it now uses way less energy. Instead of miners solving puzzles, people lock up ETH to help secure the network. Less electricity, more efficiency. And because thousands of developers are building on Ethereum every single day, it keeps growing. Here's the simple way to think about it. Bitcoin is digital gold. Ethereum is a digital economy. It's not just money, it's infrastructure. So when people ask, why does Ethereum matter? The real question is, what happens when finance, contracts, ownership, and apps all move onto the blockchain? That's Ethereum, and we're still early.